There's something magical about furniture that can live a double life. By day, it's your sofa. By night, it's your secret weapon against small spaces, surprise guests, and rent prices that clearly don't like you. The sofa bed, the Optimus Prime of furniture, the everyday hero. Think about it. Every home has that one piece that holds everything together. For some, it's the dining table. For others, it's the TV stand. But for the clever ones, it's the sofa bed. It's where you sit, chill, nap, snack, scroll, and sometimes question your life choices. But here's the beauty: it adapts. It transforms without complaining. If furniture had personalities, the sofa bed would be the overachiever with zero attitude. A little history, because we love a throwback. The first sofa beds appeared in the 19th century, when people realized rent was high even back then. Some clever soul decided, what if my couch had a secret identity? And just like that, the world's first fold-out bed was born. It was clunky, noisy, and probably ate a few fingers during setup. But it worked. And every decade after made it smarter, smoother, and way better looking. By the 1960s, it wasn't just a bed that folded out. It was designed with a mission, furniture that respected your space and your budget. Why we can't live without them. Fast forward to today. Our apartments got smaller, our schedules got busier, and somehow our stuff multiplied. That's where the sofa bed comes in, part seat, part bed, part magician. You can host a friend, save space, or just transform your living room into a movie night command center. And the best part? Nobody even realizes it's a bed until you unfold it. And boom, jaws drop, comfort activated. It's like saying, "You thought I was done? Watch this." Engineering meets art. Behind every smooth fold and satisfying click is a mini engineering miracle. Hidden hinges that glide like butter. Foam layers that mold to your body. Metal frames that say, "I gotcha," even if you fall asleep halfway through that Netflix series. And these designs? They've evolved. We're talking power recliners, built-in storage drawers, pull-out coffee tables, even USB charging ports. Some of them feel so futuristic, I half expect them to start talking back. It's not just furniture anymore. It's lifestyle technology disguised as cozy seating. Design through time. Design trends have shaped sofa beds just like they shaped fashion. Mid-century modern kept it clean and minimal. The 90s made everything oversized and extra comfy. And now, modern minimalism rules. Neutral tones, sleek lines, hidden seams. You look at it and think, that's a nice sofa. Then you pull it open and realize, it's a genius. It's like the Clark Kent of your living room. Ordinary by day, superhero by night. Around the world, every culture has its version of the sofa bed. Japan gave us the futon, humble, elegant, and folds like origami. Italy turned it into a designer masterpiece, probably wearing Gucci. Scandinavia made it minimalist and beautiful enough to post on Pinterest. And in Africa, we're redefining it with craftsmanship, solid wood frames, vibrant fabrics, and creativity that just hits different. Because when we design, we don't just make furniture, we tell stories. Stories of homes that adapt, evolve, and welcome. Comfort evolved. Gone are the days of creaky frames and bumpy cushions. Modern sofa beds are actual beds that just happen to look great during the day. Memory foam, hybrid springs, ergonomic angles. It's all there. You could literally fall asleep mid-scroll and wake up feeling like you stayed in a hotel. And let's be honest, some guests never want to leave. That's when you know your sofa bed is working too well. Smart furniture, smart living. Today's designs come with hidden compartments, charging ports, LED lights, and modular parts you can rearrange like puzzle pieces. It's furniture that keeps up with your lifestyle, adaptable, flexible, and low maintenance. Basically the opposite of that one friend who still can't fold a fitted sheet. The real talk. The truth is, sofa beds are not just for small apartments or surprise guests. They're for people who love efficient living, who believe that design should serve you, not the other way around. Because a sofa bed isn't just a piece of furniture. It's an attitude. It's saying, I live smart, I design smart, I rest smart. And when it looks this good doing it, how can you not love it? So as you watch these sofa beds transform, flip, fold, twist, slide, remember, it's not just furniture moving. It's innovation in motion. It's creativity with purpose. And it's proof that smart design doesn't have to be complicated, just intentional. If you're loving this collection, don't forget to subscribe to Dope Furniture. Because here, we don't just show furniture, we show stories. Drop a comment below. Tell me where you're watching from, and which of these sofa beds deserves a spot in your home. I read every comment, seriously. So go ahead, represent your city, your style, and your vibe. And hey, if you fall asleep halfway through this marathon, don't worry. That's exactly what the sofa bed was made for. But maybe it's more than that, because every time you unfold it, you're not just pulling out a mattress. You're unfolding comfort, creativity, and a little bit of genius. You're seeing proof that design doesn't have to shout to be smart. Sometimes it just needs to fold quietly and fit perfectly. The sofa bed reminds us that home isn't about how big your space is. It's about how well it works for you. It's the kind of design that listens, adapts, and evolves with your lifestyle. So whether you're building your dream apartment, upgrading your studio, or just trying to make every square meter count, remember this: smart design is timeless, and comfort never goes out of style. If you've enjoyed this sofa bed marathon, make sure you subscribe to Dope Furniture for more stories like this, where creativity meets craftsmanship and design meets purpose. Drop a comment below. Tell me where you're watching from, and which sofa bed stole your heart today. Your feedback helps shape the next collection, and maybe your idea becomes the next dope design we feature. Thanks for watching. Stay cozy, stay stylish, and as always, stay dope.